Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I have a wonderful package from a dear sweet friend here on YouTube. So my beautiful friend, she knows who she is, sent this to me, and I just want to say thank you. You cannot know the timing of this package, and I know that you prayed about this. I was kind of down at the moment, and something had happened, and for no silly reason, just something happened, and I got this. I had my youngest had packaged up all my mail for me to bring with me, and I hadn't had time to go through it yet. And I opened this up and cried like a baby in the Michael's parking lot. So I just want you to know God's encouragement through you and your perfect timing was amazing. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, my sweet friend. So I'm going to open it now and share with you guys. So I'm turning it backwards as, whoops, I've got my other goodies in here too. Hold on. I was opening other mail and putting everything in one package. I think, yeah, okay, now. Sorry. Okay, and I did peek. I'm going to be honest, on this one I peeked. So, but I wanted to share with you guys all this sweet, kind friend, what was sent. She writes a beautiful message in here, and I'm not going to share that, but she was, look how beautiful, there's like a beautiful, and I love this idea. I have tons of this yarn I'll have to dig out. This is absolutely gorgeous, thank you. So she wrote a beautiful note, and she clipped it, put a beautiful clip to it, and that will go straight in my my fall Bible journaling camp kit, and then it will go from there into my planner. So look at the beauty. This is just llama, 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 and that's what she says. And I love that you said, don't say I shouldn't have done it, and because I know you're going to say that. And it was like the first thing I thought was, oh, she shouldn't have done this. And so you just know me too well. But thank you, friend. And look at all. I've never seen this sticker set. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is going in my planner this week. I've brought my Erin Condren to set up. I'm going to work on that tonight when my husband gets here. And I just love this. So thank you, thank you. And then look at this. I was telling my daughter about this. She goes, I've never seen that before. And I said, me either. And it's pink. It's a llama and it's pink. This is going to go straight in my craft cottage on the wall. And when I get it hung up, I'm going to send you a picture. And it may not be for another like 6 months, but I'm going to send you a picture, I promise. Okay, and then look at this darling little notebook. The sunglasses. I didn't open this, so let's peek inside. Now that I'm with you, my friends, I hope you guys are having a great day. Oh, look at those shades. Those are so... Oh, they're Velcro. Oh, my gosh. This is the cutest notebook I've ever seen. Thank you. You know, I was looking at notebooks yesterday at Michael's, and I looked at a llama notebook, and I'm so glad I didn't get one. So thank you. Oh, my goodness. And then, oh, I love this. Oh, this is going to be a fun project for the craft cottage. I love this. Or I may use this in my scrapbooking, I'm not sure. Oh, look at all the pretty llamas. No, I think this had, oh, they were in different colors. Oh my goodness. So let's move this out of the way so you guys can see. So there's pink llama, purple, kind of a red purple llama. Ooh, lime. And then kind of a blue purple, or maybe blue. I love that, so cute. And then to match, you've got, oh my gosh. Seriously, you know my heart. Oh, the succulents and the llamas, thank you so much. Alrighty, I've got one more goodie, and then I'll let you guys go. I think that's, oh no, I've got, no, I'll come back. So every little thing, there's a note on it. I wanted you to know that I saw that. Thank you, friend. And, oh my gosh. Oh, she's so sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna see, you know I save every note. I have never seen these. I have been to Hobby Lobby. I love Hobby Lobby. She found this on clearance. She wrote a note. I have never seen these gem llamas. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? Yes. All right. It is llama heaven here and baby heaven. And I thank you so much, my sweet friend, for all your encouragement. And most importantly, I just thank you for your friendship. You're just such a dear friend, and I thank you. And I'm praying for you and praying for your family. And I'm praying very specifically because I know you have a lot of change too coming up. So, all right, dear sweet friends, if you loved what this sweet gal did, please give it a thumbs up. She's such a dear friend, and we want to encourage her. And if you're not subscribed, come on back, subscribe. We'd love to have you. If you can't tell, in this channel we have just incredible friendships, and I'm really praying through like a Christmas card swap, because I mean, I'm already getting emails asking for my address, and it's always in the about section here on this channel, but you are very, very welcome to send me an email or leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of all this to encourage our sweet friend, our beautiful friend. And, you know, let me know. Is that something you'd be interested in? I get a lot of people who contact me for, you know, various things. And I love, of course I love sending Christmas cards. And I'm actually going to send them this year. So if you would like to have a Christmas card, you want to exchange Christmas cards, just email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com, and it's listed below and in the about section above, and I would be thrilled to add you to my Christmas cards this year. And also, if you want to do maybe, I mean, I think it's too late this year to do a big Christmas card swap within the channel, but we could do like a Valentine swap. I mean, guys, think about that. All right, friends. Again, like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if it would encourage anybody else. And most importantly, thank you for being here. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.